Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 29 of DAX functions. Previously, we have discussed about 28 different DAX functions in which it covered date and time functions, logical functions, informative functions, text functions, parent and child functions, and we have started with the sixth category of 8 interesting DAX functions, which is statistical function, very important functions, in which statistical functions we have already covered two different types of functions. If you have missed all these different 28 DAX functions, not need to worry, we have provided the link for the playlist in the description box. You go ahead and you can watch it. And if you're watching for the channel for the first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are all in need. And also we are requesting you to provide your valuable feedback as a comment so that we can improvise our video if you're feeling our video is lagging or missing any information. Let's start with today's video. As we mentioned, we have already discussed with two different statistical functions, which is average and average A. Today we are going to discuss with the CHISQ.INV function. How this function is going to work, how it is implemented in Power BI, we are going to discuss in detail. So we are requesting you to not skip the video in between, so that you will not miss any piece of information which is related to the very important function of chi-square.inverse. Let's start with today's video. So a new measure is created. I'm going to name it as chi-square_inverse, which is equal to chi-square.inverse. You can see the complete explanation of this formula, and along with the explanation is coming over here. The syntax will be, you have to give the probability and degree of freedom, and down you can see it returns the inverse of the left-tailed probability of the chi-square distribution. The chi-square distribution is commonly used to study the variation percentage of something across samples, such as fraction of the day people spend watching television. So this is giving a clear-cut explanation how this chi-square inversion function works. So probability, I am giving it as 0.90. Let's say we are wasting our time instead of watching television, now we are watching our mobile phones to waste our time. So I am going to give the degree of freedom as 1. Closing the bracket and hit enter. You will get the chi-square inverse value distributed over here. Let's see what is our answer, which is 2.71 is the chi-square inverse value. This is how the chi-square.inverse function works. If you have any questions in this particular formula or previous videos, please do post your queries in the comment box. We will try to respond to you as soon as possible. And giving a hint that we are providing the detailed explanation of this function in written mode via our blog. Blog link is also provided in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching this exciting video. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.